How to add a background image to a PowerPoint. Adding a background image to a PowerPoint slide is straightforward, and here is how you can do it. Open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to add the background image. Now, all you have to do is tap on the Insert tab from the ribbon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, in there, look for Pictures option available there. Once you tap on the pictures, you can see many options available there. You can browse through your computer images to keep it as a background image as well. But in my computer, there isn't any image available to keep it as a background. So if you have any, then you can tap on the browse through your file option available there and browse through your file and tap on the image you want to insert. If not, then go back to the insert pictures again and tap on the pictures, and this time you can tap on the online pictures option available there, and you will get to see a list of images option available on your right side. Now look for the image you are interested in or you are preferring. Now here I am tapping on the random car image for the background. Double tap on it and tap on the insert option available in the bottom. Now once you tap on the insert, all you have to do is scale the image proportionally, adjust the alignment, and make the image cover all the slide. Now once you do so, double tap on it or simply right click on it, then tap on the send to back option available there. Look for the send to back and now tap on the send to back, and that is it. If you want the same background on all slides, then you can also click apply to all at the bottom of the format background pane. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.